Good morning, students, and welcome back to the English class. Once again, today we are going to start a new topic, a new chapter, and that is you can see on the screen Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale, she was a lady with kind heart, and throughout her life, she served for the people, she served for her nation. And this is a different topic. This is about a biography of Florence Nightingale. So before going to start, I like to say something about this. So what is biography? The biography is expressed, or it's tell about a life of person. It involves more than just the basic fact like birth and death, work or job or relationship. Okay, so let's go. When was she born? Florence Nightingale was born on 12th May 1820, Florence, Italy, and she was died on 13 August 1910, Mayfair, London, United Kingdom. Okay, then what was she known for? She was known that pioneering modern nursing. She was the only lady and she changed the lifestyle of nurse. And she has done her education from King's College, London, and that was related with Cambridge University. Okay, now come to the topic. The students are requested, please open with me page number 29 of your English book. Okay, look at here. In this paragraph it speak about the Florence Nightingale. Okay, but here we can see there is a man standing and he was talking with two small kids. Okay, so what he was telling, he was telling them, I was just a boy when I fought in the Crimean War, and like the hundred of soldiers who were injured, I was brought to the hospital at Scutari in Turkey. There was a big fight related with the soldiers, and there was a fight where the Russian lost the alliance over Ottoman and United Kingdom. And in this war, many soldiers were died, and some of them were injured very badly. So they brought up to the hospital, which was in Scutari in Turkey. And this military conflict was fought from October 1853 to February 1856. And this war changed the whole history of Russia. Okay, so when the man was kept in the hospital, the situation and the atmosphere of the hospital was very bad, very dirty and unclean. Even houseflies, mosquitoes and insects were there, and that room or the hospital was smelled very bad. Even the soldiers, they can't able to admit there. They couldn't want to stay there, but the situation is that they have to kept there. Then after few weeks, the man become very ill. And he watched over his friend. Some of them were died due to the infection, and her condition was very bad. But at that night, he could see a lady with the lamp. A lady entered the room and cleaned everything. And here is a sentence is written, if you see, I need this place spotless. As soon as she entered the room, she cleaned everywhere. and she barked into that awful place and took control at once. Within few seconds or few minutes, she control over the situation. Okay, then goes to next. And this lady was not a simple lady. This was not a simple lady. She was an extraordinary who changed or who brought about huge changes in the healthcare system of England. Who? The Florence Nightingale. Then after get right over the situation, then she prepared food for the soldier. Who? The lady. She prepared food for the soldiers and asking them by name. Then she entered and asked Mr. Andrew, "How are you feeling today?" And for the first time in our lives, she made invalid feel respected. Means how she got the respect from the soldiers, and she has respect for the servant who are serving for the nation. Then after that, everyone who were there, they noticed. They noticed that Florence Nightingale is not like others. She is a different. They learned and they noticed that she was a different lady. Okay. If you see here, from her childhood, the Florence Nightingale has a different excel. And what was that? She wanted to help the people. She wanted to help the poor. By which way? By becoming a nurse. And this was her aim. But her parents didn't like her decision. Her parents didn't like that one. They find her as a doctor or whatever she liked to do according to their parents, but they had not encouraged the Florence to become the nurse. They had that service because at that time there was not much more facilities for the doctors, nurse, and the atmosphere of hospital. They disliked that one, and they thought it is very difficult for a lady to become a nurse, and they didn't agree with her. But at the end, she could get over and persisted them. Then her parents agreed with her decision, and they finally allow her to train as a nurse in Germany. Okay, the students, this is the life about Florence Nightingale. This much is enough for you today. In the next video, we will continue this chapter. The students are requested, please read this chapter again and again and try to understand the life of Florence Nightingale. Students, take care, stay healthy, may God bless you.